identify with the gender that corresponds to their biological sex. So, for example, a person assigned female at birth who identifies as a woman is cisgender. Similarly, a person assigned male at birth who identifies as man is also cisgender. So next is non-binary people. It is a people who do not feel like a boy or a girl. So they may feel like they are both or neither. So sometimes they use the pronouns they, them, and their. So when we say binary, it is a people who don't identify strictly as a boy or a girl. So they might feel like a mix both genders or neither. So because of this unique identity, many non-binary individuals prefer the pronouns they, them, and theirs. So using these pronouns is a simple yet important way to respect their gender identity. So now let's proceed to transgenderism. So the APA defines transgender as an umbrella term for person whose gender identity or gender expression or behavior does not conform to that typically associated with the sex which they were assigned at birth. So transgender, it is a people are those whose gender, how they feel inside or how they show their gender doesn't match the sex they were given at birth. So for example, or for instance, a person born with male body parts might feel like a woman. So we should use the pronouns they like to show respect. So who is a transgender? So it is transsexual or hormonal replacement therapy or sex reassignment therapy. So transgender, it is a people have a gender identity different from their assigned sex at birth. So transsexual, it is an older term for some transgender folks who take steps to match their bodies with their gender. And what is hormonal replacement therapy or HRT? So hormonal replacement therapy, it is a transgender woman take female hormones or estrogen for changes like breast growth, and transgender men take male hormones or testosterone for features like deeper voices. And sex reassignment therapy or SRT, it is a surgeries like vagi- vagin- vaginoplasty for transgender women and mastectomy or peloplasty for transgender men. So, but not all transgender people choose these medical options. So there are other sexualities under the transgender umbrella terms includes the FTM or female to male. So it is a person whose biologically sex is female and has a sensation to living his life as a male. So FTM means female to male. So it's for transgender people assigned female at birth who identify as male. So their transition can involve social changes like new name and clothes, and also medical steps like testosterone or cloth or surgeries and legal adjustments. So each person's journey is different. So next is FTM or male to female. So it's opposite to FTM or female to male. So MTF or male to female, it is a person whose biological sex is male and has transitioned to living her life as a female. So next is the cross-dressing. So cross-dressing is when people wear clothes of the opposite gender sometimes. So unlike transsexual, they're okay with their assigned sex at birth. So it is a way of expressing oneself. So next is the drag kings and queens. So it is so these are performers who dress as the opposite gender for entertainment, so often out of passion or as a profession. So they bring a unique blend of professions. Bring a unique they bring a unique blend of artistry, theatricality, and often social commentary to their performance. So drag queens are typically men who dress as a woman, while drag kings are usually women who dress as a man. Both use makeups, costumes, and often exaggerated versions of gender stereotypes to create their personas. Next is gender queer. So it is a people who didn't feel like they are just male or female. So the idea that they are only two genders is too inviting for them. Their gender is something kind of different or beyond or in between male and female. So that is gender queer. So in conclusion, labels are important, especially in the acceptance and production of human rights. So the evolution of the terms used to describe people who are emotionally and sexually attracted to the same sex. So the term used to describe people who are emotionally and sexually attracted to the same sex have evolved through time, from homosexual to gay and to LGBTQIA+. So let us remember that we are all humans and born free and equal. So that would be all, ma'am. Thank you.